Well, we've made it to the Kevington Hotel. Lewis, it's been a fantastic ride from Essendon to Marysville, from Marysville to Woods Point to here, which I think my favourite part of the ride would have been the part from Wood Point to here, where they had a bit of gravel roads, and we really opened up the V-STROM. We had a little bit of fun there, a little bit sketchy through there. It wasn't too bad at all.
It was good, yeah. We were watching each other in the mirrors, and you know, there's a certain way that you ride these bikes, so you've got to adapt going from the road, and then all of a sudden you've got to transition and ride a little bit more like a bit of a dirt bike there. It's a bit sketchy on the top, but yeah, it's amazing. The countryside, it's fantastic. It was beautiful.
And what about yourself, Ramo? What did you like?
Oh, every bit of it, actually. I was really surprised about the handling of the bike, so that, which made it a lot more fun.
Yeah.
You know, I just had a ball through those corners.
It took you a little bit, because this is your first time on an adventure bike. You've done a lot of dirt bike riding, and I thought, well, we're going to get on the dirt, he'll change a little bit, but it took a little bit to get used to it for you, didn't it?
It did, just a little, but then I sort of fell into my own, and I just started enjoying myself, and the bike took care of the rest, really. It just, unbelievable how I balanced and how well they handle on that dirt road. It's just really good.
What about the adventure to get out here? Like, it's beautiful out here. We had an unbelievable meal last night. Nice place. It looked a bit sketchy when I got here, I must admit. I went, well, what are these rooms? But they were good rooms, nice and comfortable. The meal was good.
As I said, this is a bucket list for a lot of adventure rider guys, and yeah, the hotel's over 150 years old, and the rooms felt like 150 years old as well. But they had that oil heater in there, and that was the best bit. The food was good, the beer was cold, everything worked, so yeah.
What about the shower? How sketchy was that shower? You just went, oh my God. But it was so hot and warm, was it great?
It was. I looked a bit worried, the outdoor shower type setup. That's different, but you know, I think those motorcycle guys will put up with anything.
Yeah,
why not?
That's very true. Yeah. Now, our last leg today, back to Melbourne, but what are we going to do before we get back there, mate?
So I thought we'll give it a bit of a show the guys for the audience there how the traction control works, and we'll run, and you guys as well, and we'll get down on some of these gravel roads here. Yep. And then you can see how it holds the bike, holds the tight line, turn it on, turn it off, and as I say, we'll give it a go. It'll be fun.